Guess what? But let's have a look at the real estate market. We got $350 trillion in the real estate market globally. What happens if 10% of that, again, I'm not saying 10% of this wants to come into Bitcoin next year, but let's say over a decade, 10% of this wants to get just a little bit of Bitcoin exposure. Well, that would represent $35 trillion of hypothetical demand. And this is the point where I pull out the calculator because I'm a little bit too slow today to be crunching those sorts of numbers. So let's go $35 trillion of demand times by that 8x multiplier effect. That means we've got $280 trillion of market cap now added to Bitcoin. So that, once you divide by 21 million, that all of a sudden, wow, this is adding $13.3 million to Bitcoin's price. This is just assuming 10% of the real estate market wants to flow into Bitcoin. And again, let's not forget the rules that were recently changed in America. Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac are now accepting Bitcoin as collateral for down payments for a home. Again, a lot of people thought we'd never see this. A lot of people thought that this type of news and this type of structure for a down payment for a home is literally decades away. Well, guess what? It's here today in 2025, which is why I think numbers like the ones we're about to be running isn't as crazy as most people think.